Hi everyone! Good morning! Happy Wednesday sa inyong lahat. So, kumusta kayo guys? Long time no upload sa akin. Na-miss ko kayong lahat. Magandang umaga. So, grab your coffee guys and let's have a reading. Okay, so gagawa tayo ngayon ng collective general reading para sa inyo. So, medyo iba itong style na aking gagawin. So, I hope pakatutukan ninyo and mag-resonate sa inyo yung reading natin. So, originally, this is about love. Okay? Pero kung meron tayong makukuhang ibang energy or any guidance, okay? So, sasabihin ko yon, okay? So, mag-start na tayo. Na-shuffle ko na lahat ng card. And then, pipili na lang ng card para sa ating reading. So, I will use a 5 deck, okay? Different deck composed of oracle card, tarot card, okay? So, randomly ko siya ibababa dito. So, let's start. Okay, so ano tayo ngayon? Collective reading for my viewers. Shuffle ko lang siya ng isang beses. Okay. Collective reading. Uy. 8 of Cups agad, water sign. Water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. 8 of Cups. O pwedeng tinalikuran mo tong person na to, may tinalikuran ka, or tumalikod tong person na to. Abandonment, inabandon na ka, dinisappoint ka. Oo. Umalis. Umalis. And kinalungkot mo yon. Kung pwedeng ikinalungkot mo yon, ikinalungkot nitong person to, vice versa guys. Take what's resonate. So kung sino to. Kung pwedeng ikaw yung umalis, kung pwedeng ito yung umalis. Tingnan natin. Eight of Cups, walking away on a wish fulfillment can be. The Sun, o diba? Number 8 and number 19 can be significant. 8 of Cups with the Sun, um, kung pwedeng you walk away. Okay, the Sun can be a Leo, fire sign. Leo, Sagittarius, Aries. Pwedeng meron kayong anak nitong person na to, po pwedeng may anak ka, po pwedeng may anak tong person, po pwedeng may anak tong person na to. Okay. Or simply, merong umalis dito kahit alam niya sa sarili niya na yung other person, yung happiness niya or yung nagpapasaya sa kanya. Or meron akong nakuha, someone walks away or abandon someone to pursue his or her happiness. It can be a career, okay? O pwedeng umalis to kasi meron siyang gustong i-priority other than you. So, tingnan natin. Page of Wands, fire sign again. Meron ako nakikita dito na someone walks away, umalis to find his or her success, okay? Or yung new path para humanap ng bagong direksyon sa buhay niya. at magkaroon ng new journey. Mm. This person, if this is the person, kung ito yung person na nag-walk away, umalis, inabandon na ka, this person is very, uh, alam mo yon yung, meron ako nakikita dito na fire sign like nga, Leo, Sagittarius, and Aries. Free-spirited to. Ito yung mahilig umalis, mahilig maglakbay, mahilig mamasyal, mahilig mag-explore. Okay? It can be a young fire sign. If you're the one who walks away, kasi para hanapin mo yung happiness mo somewhere else, to have a new beginning. So maybe this is your reading. This is your energy. Knight of Pentacles, Earth sign, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus. Mhm. Meron ako nakikita dito na this person na nag-walk away sa situation na hindi na nagsiserve sa kanya or umalis sa isang sitwasyon na tingin niya wala ng patutunguhan. You're a kind of a person na very matyaga, matiisin. You can be young at age. Four of Swords, air sign. Okay? Binababa ko lang guys para magkasya. Four of Swords. Okay. So, meron ako nakuha dito guys. Okay. Meron ako nakuha dito na someone is nagpakalayo-layo muna. Okay? Nagpakalayo-layo muna para makapag-isip. To heal. Meron ako nakikita dito na nagpakalayo-layo kasi gustong mag-isip, it can be a Virgo, may nakuha akong Virgo, Hermit. Meron ako narinig na Hermit. Uh, kasi gustong mag-isip, gustong mag-heal, gustong oh, for some of you guys, meron akong nakita iilan lang yun iilan lang yun. For some of you po pwedeng inabandon na ka nga or nagpakalayo-layo ka para makalimot kasi po pwedeng you lost a loved one. Okay, meron akong nakuha. You lost a loved one. O pwedeng nabiyudo, nabiyuda. Meron ako nakikita dito na someone na depressed. Depressed, sad. And over is tragedy or may sitwasyon na nangyari. O pwedeng po pwedeng may namayapa, may namatay. Meron ako nakikitang namayapa, nawala. Po pwedeng literally nag-rest in peace, as in totally nag-RIP, or nag-rest lang muna, nag-hermit mode, okay, to heal. Okay, so tingnan natin. Clarify natin. Kuha tayo ng another deck. Clarify natin yung unang spread. Eight of Cups. King of Pentacles. Nine of Cups. Oh. O pwedeng this King of Pentacles, yung nagpakalayo-layo. Okay? To find his Nine of Cups or I don't know po pwedeng vice versa kasi guys. So pwedeng babae or lalaking tinutukoy ko na nagpakalayo-layo. Clarify page of wands, please. The Hierophant. Oh. Okay. Meron ako nakikita yung iba sa inyo, someone, this is a guy na nagpakalayo-layo, may inabando na siya, o pwede may inabando na siyang person or situation to find his wish fulfillment, okay? To find a success or a wish fulfillment or yung makakapag-satisfy sa kanya or yung makakapagpabuti ng emotional ano niya, situation, parang ganon. Meron ako nakikitang ganon. Or to find success. Or po pwedeng it can be a pleasure. Okay? Po pwedeng meron ditong nag-aral to pursue his education. Yung iba sa inyo, po pwedeng merong umalis dito kasi para magsimin magseminarista. Tama ba yung word ko? Magpare? Magseminaryo? Okay. Meron ako nakitang ganon. Nine of Pentacles, please. King of Cups. Hmm. Meron ako nakikita na religious person to. Itong person na to. Siguro yung iba sa inyo, this person is nagpakalayo-layo para pumasok sa seminaryo. Para magpastor. Para i-pursue yung some kind of tradition or religious belief. This person is devoted, okay? Devoted doon sa religion or doon sa may belief or tradition nila. May some kind of, may nakukuha ko dito. This is a traditional person spiritual person, pero much more on a religious person. Meron tong, meron tong, ano, matibay na paniniwala sa isang tradition, can be a religion, religious um, system. Tingnan natin. Give me cards for Four of Swords. Another meal. King of Swords. Four of Swords, King of Swords. Meron ako nakukuha dito. Pwedeng hindi to literally na mayroong namatay, may nawala, or merong sumakabilang buhay. Pero meron ako nakikita na someone here is nag-rest muna, nag-take a break muna, nagpakalayo-layo muna to pursue some kind of pwedeng career. Meron ako nakuha pwedeng career Kung sino man tong person na to na lumayo, if this is the person or you are dealing with this person na lumayo siya, kasi to pursue yung happiness niya, pwede siguro hindi niya muna pinagtuunan ng pansin ng love, and this person is mas pinagtuunan yung career and yung spiritual belief niya, yung traditions nila. Okay, hindi ko alam, pero meron ako nakikita ditong pastor para pumasok sa seminaryo or magturo ng some kind of religion. This person is very devoted. Matyaga tong person na 'to, eh, devoted. Oo, compassionate also. Ayan po, puwede siguro nagre-rest muna 'to, naghi-heal, nagte-take a break to have a mental clarity. Mm. And po puwede sigurong mas pinipili niya na pagtuunan muna ng pansin yung ibang aspect ng life niya. Wala akong love na nakikita dito as of now. Another page of once again, bottom of the deck, another page of once again, guys. So po pwedeng this person is on a adventure, okay? Or some kind of discovery. Can be this is a young at heart pero matured mag-isip. Matured emotionally, matured sa mind, and matured pagdating sa pera. Guys, meron ako nakikita. King of Pentacles, King of Cups, and King of Swords. So, tatlo yan. And when may hero pant pa. This person is nakafocus siya ngayon sa limitless potential na po pwede niyang marating. It can be a career, a religion. Okay? Hindi to nakafocus sa love ngayon. Po pwedeng ikaw to or po pwedeng itong person na to. So, titingnan natin. Tingnan natin Or po pwedeng you are dealing with 4 person. Kasi 4 na person to. King of Pentacles, Hierophant, King of Cups, and King of Swords. Okay? And you are choosing right now or you are in a, alam mo yon yung nasa crossroad ka ngayon. So, titingnan natin. Give me situations card for this reading or spread na nauna. Children. Young. Childhood. Playful. With the Sun card, Page and Knight, significant of a young at age. So, pwedeng may anak kayo nitong person na to, or pwedeng young tong person na to. Pero akong narinig lang, guys, pwedeng baka ito yung person na nang iwan sa'yo to pursue kung ano man yung dapat niyang i-pursue pero hindi kanya pinangatawanan. Meron akong narinig na gano'n. Meron kayong anak nitong person na to. I don't know. Plug. Tune in, internet connected. Oh, plug. O pwedeng nakilala mo to sa online. Wish. Hope, praying, yearning. Can be Aquarius. May narinig ako Aquarius. With the wish card. Twin flame. Oh, you can be dealing with a twin flame. Happiness again with the sun. Coolness, overjoy, smiling. Someone here is nagpakalayo-layo to find his happiness. Paano ko nakukuhang ganun? Maybe you are wishing for this person and you are healing right now. Pero ako nakukuhang ganon. So, kuha pa tayo ulit ng another spread. Knight of Cups again. Yang ulit to. Queen of Swords. You can be a Queen of Swords if you are female. Uy, Queen of Cups in reverse. Pero hindi ko to babasahin kasi hindi ako nagbabasa ng uh, reversal. Meron ako nakikita dito na dalawang queen. The Emperor Aries and Four of Wands. Marriage. Uy, for some of you, it's not about love. Okay, pero Six of Cups is nakita ko bottom of the deck. Hmm. Meron ako nakikita dito na kung sino man yung umalis pa pwedeng umuwi. Coming home. Four of Wands, coming home kasi siguro nakapag-isip-isip na tong person na to. It can be there is a mother or father dito. Pwedeng this person wants to offer or wants to have a romantic proposal and to follow his heart. Hmm. Six of Cups. This is from the past. Looking back, reflection, nostalgia. This is from the past. Meron ako nakikita. Pwedeng na-overwhelm, with the Eight of Swords and Ten of Wands, pwedeng this person is na-overwhelm lang or feeling trapped siya before sa situation ninyong dalawa or helpless siya. That's why siguro umalis muna siya para makapag-isip-isip, para makapag-rest, makapag-heal. Okay? Nag-pursue siya ng other things niya. Because burden tong person na to, na-overwhelm siya. Kasi maybe this person breakdowns or an overthinker can be an overthinker and masyado siyang na-overwhelmed dun sa sitwasyon ninyong dalawa or dun sa sitwasyon, that's why this person is nag-walk away and nag-pursue muna. Siguro na-realize niya na hindi mo na time para i-pursue siguro yung love. I don't know. I don't know guys. Yun kasi yung nakikita ko. O pwedeng you are wishing to this person na magbalik, to come back sa'yo. Okay? Nag-wish ka dito na bumalik to sa'yo. O pwedeng pinapanood mo siya sa social media pa rin o pinapanood ka pa rin ito and maybe siguro na-realize ito na ikaw pa rin yung happiness niya. Okay? Ikaw pa rin yung happiness niya. Kaya siya babalik. I don't know guys, yun ang nakikita ko. Yun ang nakita ko sa card. Isa pang spread and then mag-hermit tarot na tayo. Outcome. 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 Masyadong madami. Knight of Cups again. Wants to offer a proposal, emotion. Knight of Cups. Oh, Judgment. Number 20. Reflection, di ba? Awakening. So, nagkaroon ng awakening itong person na to. Oh, Eight of Swords. Eight of Swords, feeling trapped. Siguro hindi makamove on to. Or tinatawag siya pabalik. Parang feeling niya kailangan. Kasi ganun yun, di ba pagka twin flame? Parang may heartstring pa din. No? Seven of Cups. Kahit maraming option, maraming opportunity dumating sa kanya. Okay? Kahit marami siyang option, Seven of Cups. Maraming dumating sa kanyang opportunity. Nagkaroon siya ng awakening, tinatawag siya pabalik. Calling. Okay? Tinatawag siya pabalik. Queen of Swords again. Pwedeng you are Queen of Swords. Tinatawag siya pabalik sa'yo. Ten of Swords. Oh my gosh. Ten of Swords. Page of Swords. Wants to talk. Nahihirapan tong person na to. Feeling na to, hindi siya makamove on. Feeling trap. Nagkaroon siya ng awakening. O pwedeng, kahit nag-pursue siya ng maraming outlet sa life niya, o pwedeng religion, anything, marami siyang option na dumating sa kanya, work, Nagkaroon siya ng awakening or calling at natawag. Maybe this person is spiritual. At po pwedeng na-recognize niya yung connection nyo. Gusto nitong makipag-usap with the Page of Swords. So, kuha tayo ng Hermit. Ano ba gusto niya sabihin? Meron ako nakukuha na tong person na to na umalis. Babalik to kasi gusto niyang makausap ka or gusto niyang mag-usap kayo. Kasi this person is in the 8 of Swords and 10 of Swords energy. Feeling trapped. Gossip only hurts more. I want a fresh start with you. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. You are right. Kung ano yung sinabi mo sa kanya, you are right. Ten, I would do anything for you. Kung pwedeng may anak kayo nito ha, iniwanan ka nito kasi kung pwedeng na burnout siya, nahirapan siya, kung ano yung responsibility. Oo. Alam sa totoo lang, this person, kasi ano naman eh, king quality. Anong ibig ko sabihin doon sa may king quality? King of Pentacles, magaling sa pera. King of Cups, okay naman emotionally. King of Swords. Alam mo yun, okay naman siya, pero he act differently kasi. Nine, you're so beautiful. Why do you need me? Oh. Time to ground yourself. It's time to ground yourself. Oh my gosh, pa pwedeng number 3, your family won't like me. Oh, Ace of Cups again is here. Wants to offer a new beginning or some kind of emotion. Tingnan natin. Advice. Guys, comment down below kung nagustuhan ninyo yung spread natin or kung naguguluhan kayo, I will go back. On my next upload, I will go back to traditional spread na lang natin ulit. Okay. So, tingnan natin yung advice sa inyo. Have faith. The angels are working behind the scene to make this relationship flourish. Reconciliation. Oh my gosh. Someone from your past is or will be returning to your life soon. You'll reconcile with this person. Another confirmation. Make the effort. This love is worth taking risk. You are called to move forward. This person is make the effort or maybe you are worth the effort. Unbreakable love. This person has a genuine love for you. You can overcome any issues that may arise. Actions speak louder than word. If you want to know what someone is feeling, watch what they are doing with make the effort, okay? Nothing has gone wrong. Trust the process. This connection is divinely timed. And they are the one. You have already met the romantic partner you seek. Guys, I cannot. We have reconciliation dito. Okay? Confirming with the I want a fresh start with you with the Ace of Cups. Kanina pa lumalabas yung Ace of Cups. Hmm? Another confirmation with the spread kanina na maybe this person walk away, abandon you. With the sun, can be you have a child with this person, may anak kayo with the children card or the situation card. And po pwedeng this person has an awakening that you and yung child niya is yung happiness niya. Okay? And dun sa spread natin kanina, meron akong nakita na yung person na yon is kakausapin yung parents mo. Sorry, hindi ko nabanggit kanina. Kakausapin yung parents mo po pwedeng hihingin yung kamay mo sa parents mo kasi wants to ask a proposal or wants to marry you. Okay. If hindi ka pa married dito sa person na to. Twin flame, this is your twin flame. And if you are asking if this is your twin flame, this is the confirmation that that person on your mind is your twin flame. Yung someone na nag-abandon sa'yo to pursue other things. Okay? Okay guys, so I hope nagustuhan ninyo yung collective reading natin, short collective reading with a unique spread. So kung naguluhan kayo doon sa spread natin, just let me know, comment down below kung mas gusto niyo yung traditional spread natin. Pero I really do appreciate sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe. Please do subscribe naman po kay Luna Tarot para ma-reach na natin yung ating 3,500 if I'm not mistaken na subscribers, okay? And mas na-appreciate ko po yung nagko-comment if resonated sa inyo yung reading natin. I will do my best para makagawa pa ng other topics for my pick a card. Okay, and para dun sa mga nagtatanong for personal reading, pasensya na po kayo, hindi ko pa po siya maasikaso as of now kasi marami pa po akong inaayos. Okay? So, antay-antay na lang po. Okay, maraming maraming salamat. Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Bye!